Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. So after the changes to the button block, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the introduction of forward slash block insertion in the list, heading, and quote blocks. So if you have been using WordPress, then you must be familiar with the fact that WordPress allows you to add blocks using the forward slash inserter. Let me go back to the WordPress 5.8 tab and show you how it's done. So this is the WordPress 5.8 tab, and in case I want to add the heading tag, either I can use this inserter button over here, or I can just type in the forward slash and then type in heading, and it just shows me the blocks that I could add. So this feature was limited to paragraph blocks till the WordPress 5.8, but it has been extended to the heading and the quotes block. And the list block as well. So what we are going to do here is I'm going to go back to WordPress 5.9. I'm going to add a heading block first, and then I'm going to try the forward slash inserter over here. So what we are going to do here is I'm going to add an image block using the heading block. So forward slash, and you can see as soon as I type in the first three letters, it shows me the image block right on top. So I can click here and I can add it. Now this is not the case in WordPress 5.8. Now I will go back to WordPress 5.8 and add the heading block, and then I'll try the forward slash inserter and will try to insert the image block. You can see it shows nothing pops up. It will not add the block. So this is the new change in WordPress 5.9, where the forward slash block insertion has been introduced in the list block, the heading block, and the quote block. So let's just add a list block as well and try it out on the list block as well. Let's just add a heading through the list block. You can see it lets me add a heading. Let's just add a heading block and try to convert it into a quote block. So you can see, now let's just turn this quote block into a list block. You can see, so as you can see, this feature was not available in the WordPress 5.8, but now it has been introduced in WordPress 5.9. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.